자, 그렇다면은 베스트 3 히터 타자들 한번 만나볼게요.
Barry Bonds, Hank Aaron,
Yeah.
and then you have to go Willie Mays. All my 3 outfielders might be the top best
Top
hitters.
three. Oh, that's pretty good outfield then.
Yeah. I mean, you can't leave Pujols out. You cannot leave Manny Ramirez. I mean,
Yeah.
these guys are very, very good hitters, and they know what they're doing. So it's tough. I mean, if you say 10 of them, I can put 10 names, but the top 3 will be those guys.
Those guys.
Yeah.